So what is a global mind shift? A global mind shift isn't just a change in thinking. It's a change in how we think. It's seeing ourselves and the world from an ever-broadening perspective. Now, why is that even important? Well, it was Albert Einstein who said you can't solve problems from the same level of thinking at which they were created. Problems are actually indications that a way of thinking is obsolete. And that's really the value of problems. Problems aren't negative. Problems are helpful. Problems are signs that, again, that our way of thinking needs to broaden and we need to reorient ourselves to the world in which we live. Now, that's a very important point for us today because, once again, we're confronted by problems. Big problems. Problems that threaten not only our own survival as a species, but the survival of the majority of life as well. Problems like global warming, resource depletion, pollution, weapons of mass destruction, conflict, the growing disparity between rich and poor. These are all very, very serious problems, but the thing that we notice about them are two things. One is they're all global, and two, they're all interconnected. And that helps point us in the direction of the nature of the shift we need to make. Rather than seeing ourselves as separate parts and pieces, we need to be seeing ourselves in the world as an interconnected whole. Rather than only being concerned about the local in the short term, we need to be concerned about the global in the long term. And that's what we mean by a global mind shift.